now you tell me
Now
this.
you told me, yeah.
I think it's
But
a
you know what? She
tried.
finished it.
She
Okay.
tried, yeah. Oh, yes.
She made the whole dive.
Oh.
Like she came back and she made the dive.
I
Just
went
don't
over
try.
there. No, I can't because I went over there and then I was okay, but then like I looked
At
around.
first for me it was hard because the breathing. But once I got it,
Well, I got a picture of you on the water.
Thank you.
That counts.
Now, like I told her, now I know.